We all know na challenging mag-drive sa Binondo. Siksikan, makitid, unpredictable. But today, we're doing it differently and on electric. Today, I'm with Will Dasovich and we're taking the BYD Seagull through the streets of Binondo for a full-on food crawl. As part of BYD, AC Mobility, and DOT's campaign, Drive Electric Love Pinas, where Will drives a BYD all the way from Pagudpud to General Santos. North to south, that's practically the entire Philippines. And the crazy part, hindi siya worried maubusan ng battery because of over 160 plus charging stations nationwide. Powered by AC Mobility, kaya mo nang bumiyahe kahit long distance. So kung kaya niya mag-Luzon to Mindanao, lalo na dito sa city, sobrang dali. Dito sa Binondo, the BYD Seagull just makes sense. Compact, super nimble, madaling ipasok sa makikitid na streets, tahimik, walang usok, and smooth i-drive. First stop, Tongpei Dumplings. Ito ang usual first stop ko sa mga pinapasyal kong tropa sa Binondo. Classic steamed dumplings, loved by everyone. Next, quick recharge. Coffee muna sa bistro since malapit lang sa Tongpei. Then syempre, Lord's Toast Egg Tart. Di mo pwedeng mamiss ang egg tarts nila whenever you're in Binondo. We also tried some skewers from Veggie Select, pati na rin yung sugarcane nila. And hindi mawawala, Shanghai Fried Siopaw. This is definitely a crowd favorite and my personal favorite since bata pa ako. Pumunta rin kami sa Carvajal para tikman ang sikat na fresh lumpia ng Poheng. And to keep the good vibes going, nagpa-feng shui reading pa kami with the famous Master Johnson Chua. From food crawling in Binondo to driving across entire Philippines, BYD is proving that electric mobility isn't just the future. It's already here.
The future of travel in the Philippines is here, and it's electric. Imagine exploring our islands not with fuel, but with innovation. Quiet drives, smoother journeys, and a cleaner way to see the places we love. With BYD leading the charge, going electric is no longer just a vision. It's a reality you can experience today. This is more than just a drive. This is Drive Electric, Love Pinas.